Autumn. Autumn is here. Children. Children. In autumn, children go to school. School. This is a school. A girl. This is a girl. A uniform. A uniform. A girl is wearing a uniform. A blouse. This is a blouse. This is a white blouse. Girl, put on a white blouse. A skirt. This is a skirt. This is a blue skirt. Girl, put on a blue skirt. Tights. These are tights. These are white tights. Girl, put on a white tights. Shoes. These are shoes. These are black shoes. Girl, put on black shoes. A waistcoat. This is a waistcoat. This is a blue waistcoat. Girl, put on a blue waistcoat. A girl. A girl is wearing a uniform. A girl is wearing a white blouse, a blue skirt, white tights, black shoes, and a blue waistcoat. A girl is wearing a uniform. A boy. This is a boy. A boy is wearing a uniform. A shirt. This is a shirt. This is a white shirt. Boy, put on a white shirt. Trousers. These are trousers. These are blue trousers. Boy, put on blue trousers. Shoes. These are shoes. These are black shoes. Boy, put on black shoes. A boy is wearing a white shirt, blue trousers, and black shoes. A boy is wearing a uniform. A boy is wearing a school uniform. Let's go to school.